Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enhance video quality with AI. You want to enhance video quality with AI, then you need to use Wondershare Uni Converter, which is a free tool. You can also get paid plan for more features. Now, once you have downloaded, open it. Here you can see AI Video Enhancer. Then click on it to import video which you want to enhance. Search your desired video and click on it. Now, here you found two options: General Denoise Model and Frame Interpolation Model. With Frame Interpolation Model you can increase frame rate by 2 times or 4 times. From here you can preview, and then export by click here. If you want to denoise video, then click here. Simply if you want to preview, click here. Otherwise click on Export to export video. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.